Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in low budget repair scheme. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Steam, go to library, right click on low budget repair scheme and then click on properties. In the general tab you will see the language option over here. Click on this drop down and then select the language that you want to change to. These are the available language. Alternatively, launch the game and once you're on this menu screen, click on settings and here you will see audio language and text language. So if you want to change the text language, then click on this arrow icon and here you can see that languages is changing. And if you want to change the audio language, then again click on this arrow icon to change the audio language. Only two audio languages available, that is English and Polski. That's it. So by following these steps, I hope you can easily change language in low budget repair scheme. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.